Return dictionary value as tuple or list from a string. I have a long string which I'm reading from a file line by line. I'm trying to convert the lines to dictionary and trying to check if the given is present in the dictionary key values it has to return true. Example. This is the output I got. Expected result. In tuples or list. And if the PQRS is present in data.values, it has to print yes. I tried both the ways but didn't got anything from the output. Any hint would be helpful.
You can create the dictionary with a nested dictionary comprehension. Then check containment with any. Update. Since you seem to be using Python 2.6, before the existence of dict comprehensions, you'll have to use this equivalent form.
You have to clarify your rules. But from what you've shown us, this regular expression should do the job.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.